Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. This video contains a very beautiful, elegant and stylish collection of 100 hand embroidery designs. All of these embroidery designs and patterns are very creative, simple and unique. In order to save your time, you can see number of multiple embroidery designs onto your screens and some sort of closer views of embroidery designs. So I would request you before going into the further details, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. And if you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from a number of other devices because subscribers are very important, and with your love and support we have reached at this level, and with your love and support we will continue to grow. The beauty and creativity of these design patterns is that you can make them onto your shirts, kameez, kurti, midi dress, summer dresses, bodycon dresses, any type of eastern as well as western dresses. So the scope is broadened in itself. A Korean dress, Pakistani basis dresses, Bangladeshi dresses, Ukrainian dresses, and many more stylized patterns of dresses. Korean dresses, Japanese inspired dresses, and all of these are totally based onto neckline embroidery patterns. Different stylized patterns of neckline embroidery have been shared with you. I hope that you are liking the design ideas and patterns of our today's video collection. So now let's talk about the fabric base. You can use any type of fabric base as per your choice. You can use summer fabrics like lawn, cotton, and linen, and organic fabrics. And for winters, you can use a mixture of warm fabrics like woolen, leather, corduroy, and many more embroidery patterns. So I hope that you are liking the ideas and designs. And don't forget to share the videos with your friends and family and the lovers of hand embroidery so that we can reach up to a broader reach of number of views as well. So thank you so much for watching. Watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing stylish and trendy patterns of hand embroidery. Guys, on our daily basis, we try our best to share new and new, more and more creative design ideas of hand embroidery with you. So I would request you to please do consider our efforts and make a habit of watching our content on daily basis and do appreciate us. Your feedback and your love matters a lot to us. You are our family.